Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making homemade DIY aloe vera oil. For this DIY, you'll need an oil for your base. I'll be using avocado oil because it is packed with nutrients and it also has a smoke point of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great because the nutrients will not be killed during the heating process. I will also be adding 1 ounce of castor oil to the aloe vera oil. And last but not least, I picked up an applicator bottle at my local beauty supply store. To get started, I will be cutting off the white part of the aloe vera leaf. I will then proceed to cut the leaf in half because we will only be using a half of the leaf for this DIY. I will also use the other half for a facial mask. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see how I make my mask. Next, I am cutting off the spikes on the sides of the aloe vera leaf. Then I will cut the leaf as thinly as possible so that all the nutrients can be extracted from the leaf. I want to share some benefits of aloe vera when it comes to our hair. So it aids in balancing the scalp and hair's pH. It contains proteolytic enzymes. These enzymes, they break down dead skin cells on the scalp that may be clogging our pores. It also contains fatty acids. These fatty acids reduces itchy scalps as well as reduction in dandruff. It contains proteins and nutrients including vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, along with other nutrients and minerals. And ultimately, all of this promotes hair growth. As mentioned before, for the base, I will be using avocado oil. I know olive oil and coconut oil are more popular choices, and you can use either or if you desire, but they don't work very well for my hair. One of the great things about avocado oil is that it is packed with nutrients, and it is actually one of few oils that penetrate the hair shaft instead of sitting on top of it. I will be using 1 cup of oil, which is equivalent to 8 ounces. I poured the avocado oil in the pan, then I turned the heat on medium-high and transferred the sliced aloe vera leaf in the pan. I let this boil for 15 minutes until the color changed to a forest green and the texture resembled a limp sliced pickle. Once it was finished boiling, I let the aloe vera oil cool for about an hour. I used a strainer to separate the oil from the cooked leaves. I added 1 ounce of castor oil specifically because it's known to thicken hair and I love to rub this oil on my edges. I then transferred the oil to an applicator bottle for easy use. Although I'll be using this oil for my hair, I wanted to show you guys that it can be used for your skin as well. Look at that shine, y'all. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.